Hey guys, Francis here again with the Texas Roadrunner channel. Now, I'm just going to call this like day 2 of the road trip to, Del Rio and Highway 90 thing. But on the second day, I went up north to Sonora Caverns and in Sonora, Texas. Well, it's outside of the city actually. But so this is the main gist of this video, is another cave tour, okay? And later on, I met up my brother-in-law, John, in Junction, Texas. He's working on a local construction project for their museum. And get this, John lives in Atlanta, Georgia, okay? So they ship him off all over the place. So I hope you enjoy. Sonora Caverns. I think you guys will enjoy this one. It's another cave video. How do you get there? Well, if you're from San Antonio, just take I-10 and just keep on going west till you hit Sonora and follow the signs. Now, I was in Del Rio, so I had to take 277 to Sonora. But I also had to go through Checkpoint Charlie too, since we're so close to the border there. So here I am on I-10 just looking for the signs, right? Finally find it, and finally find the entrance to Sonora Caverns. Now, they had a really nice picnic area and also a nice site for the RV campers. And there's the dangerous store where you pay your tickets to go in, and but they're protected by these dangerous birds. Be careful. So let's go on in. But be careful, okay? Now, they had all kinds of stuff to take your money away. I mean, a lot of it was, the usual stuff. A lot of rocks and t-shirts. Now, at this time in the year, it was 20 degrees out there. Like, I really needed some refrigerated snacks. Where's the coffee? The fudge would probably be pretty good if it was straight out of the oven. I mean, it was hot, but this is known as a very hot cave. Now, the store did have a lot of rocks and more rocks, but I held back. I did not buy anything. Maybe I bought a refrigerator magnet. You know me. So here we are making our grand entrance into the cave, and probably now is a good time for me to shut up and just let you enjoy the sights and the music. So the tour has ended, and I went back on I-10 and headed to Junction, Texas. Junction, Texas is famous for their deer horn tree, but my brother-in-law was down there on a construction project for their local museum. Be careful, John. That's your hand there. And then afterwards, we all went to Lum's Barbecue for, you guessed it, barbecue. And then after that, it was time to drive back home again on 277. But one thing I noticed while driving back to Del Rio were all these big, huge windmills. I don't know why I didn't notice them on the way up, but yep, they were all around. But I eventually got back to my cabin, number 7, at Ruthie's Rentals, and enjoyed the sunset. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of that Sonora Caverns Cave. Next week, I'm not quite sure, maybe we'll just hang out around Lake Amstead and see what there is to do around the lake. Until then, you guys be safe out there and take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.